Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hennen kejanmian ke art kundai terek unopra, kinong kersan barat ba jong ke Seng Kongres nari lum Jaiñtia, hapo ke Nongïalam jong ba ni daman chulen na raliang constituency, kilawan keu syakani kinong ba Shillong ban Pynïasoh no abat ke Seng National People's Party. Ya kini kinong kersan bat Nongïalam barat ba jong ke Kongres, kibalawan keu syakani kinong ba Shillong, hennen kejanmian la pedang buramiki da Nongïalam bahalor jong ke NPP, bahkan top yu National President jong ke NPP u Konrad Sangma, ringkat ke jiran langru wei niki MLA kani ke Seng nari lum Garo u JM Sangma bat kiwi-kiwi. Habai keren ba Nongïalam jong ni kan hon nari lum Jaiñtia, bantip halor ke ikadaw ku bala pelong yaki ban mino nak Seng Kongres. Kilaong bakadaw hi ke day namar ke sorkar Kongres hapo ke Nongïalam jong Dr. Mukul Sangma kumu menteri rang ba kam sya melawan ra ikinu-kinu ki kam penroi syakathan nari lum Jaiñtia.
Mangam ni, kipai ba yung istai tu, depalat yung kikijeng wah, nagi yung peman pelai pun bah kipai ba ini untuk kerjaan Kongres, nagi kedau tu peman yung ulah NPP pai ba warok ni ba, waktu wah yowi kau Nongïalam uyong ini state Dr. Mukul wajiki igi kesiplar waktu berabar lepeng mau mestiau kelam ni genu ke jeng yang igi jad bro ini ketika daw ipeman no join no ke NPP waktu kini ke NPP wayo ke Nongïalam yang usar kerat sangma wayo lewo ke Nongïalam yang MUR cilir karo kasih perang Jaiñtia ketika daw to man no ke uyak khut pai ba man no pai ba lai pelur ngoro jaga NPP ikat kamu man ubnai pi Jaiñtia waktu tamki kandidat merakyat di Kongres negadawa udah cak nyon balat tawa kata support full support na Jaiñtia tu support iya jaga NPP.
Kombakalong mentahi ki babon ki kertong kontop ro nadu ki MLA ki balami nagi Seng beper bon naki kilit Pynïasoh sya ke Seng National People's Party. Henry ke jingkeli kalong ya ke Seng National People's Party babalai ke pediang lot ikini baro. Hato hado katno kadan ya kata ke jingsno skam balada kini ki MLA ki konik election house nam arja kat prabanwan kinyo ya ke jingjob da ke besuk.
We were all here basically to welcome Mashulet and his entire team into the party. So that was the main objective of calling this meeting and appointing him as a working president of East and West Jaiñtia. See, number one, they're resigning from the as MLAs. I think number one, we have to also see that it is a clear failure of the leadership in the state right now, and it clearly indicates that these MLAs, 8 MLAs, that counts to almost 10% of the total number of MLAs in the assembly, have lost faith in the leadership of Dr. Mukul. So I think it's a very, very strong indication. Number two, all the leaders, these are very, very senior leaders who are very much connected with the grassroots, and they know what the grassroots people are desiring and wanting, and what is the feeling of the grassroots people. And it is only after speaking to the grassroots people at the grassroots level, they have realized that they must come up and join a political party that can be an alternative to the Congress. That is why they have come to the NPP. That's number 2 point. NPP is the alternative in the state today, and people are very, very supportive and very excited to come into the NPP. Third point, which you have mentioned about the winnability. See, election is something that nobody can tell you who will win or lose. I have contested election 4 times in my life, and every time I thought that I will win, I ended up losing. So I don't want to talk about winnability thing, but I know for sure that these individuals who have come into the party are leaders who have worked very hard, are people who are very much connected to the grassroots, and they really understand the pulse of the people. And I can assure you that today people are expecting a change, and with the kind of response that we're getting from the people, I know for sure that NPP is going to do very well. These sitting MLAs who are coming in right now, who have resigned of course now, they're not sitting anymore, are going to perform very well, and I'm very, very confident that each and every one of them will come out victorious. And not just them, NPP is looking at being the single largest party, may even be a party that might have a single majority in the state.